Hey everybody, how's it going? Got a package in the mail today, so I thought I'd do a video about it. I've been using my old GoPro, old Hero 3 Plus. Still works fine, works good for what I use it for. Been using it a lot lately doing driving videos in the Miata, and it works perfect for that. The image stabilization's great, it's cheap, I don't have to worry about it. Thing is, I've got like a clip mounted to my dash that this slides in, if you guys use GoPros, or most adventure cameras have a similar type of clip. I'm all out of clips. I used to have some. I don't know where they went. And they just, clip in, slide in, locks it in place, right? So you can use it in your car, on your bike, on the boat, whatever you're doing. Holy moly, there we go. So, and I've got a little magnet dealie that, excuse my long, overgrown, dirty fingernails. I'd like to just have a clip on here so I can just clip this on rather than take these off and all that hoo-ha. So I looked at Best Buy and local stores, and everybody all sells just genuine GoPro stuff, which for one clip, one of these without this big square base on it, just the clip, they want like over $20. So I'm not doing that. It's a plastic clip. So I found, what is this called anyway? Is it down here? Something variety, grab bag, whatever, GoPro accessory kit. Never opened one of these bags properly. Have any of you guys? Pull and open here. It's not quite as fun as cutting the bag, but I suppose. You know what gets me? I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, and this is going worldwide. It's going Canada-wide, right? It's in my city right now, numerous cities all over the place, and it's going Canada-wide. It's going to be North America. They're charging for paper bags, not even plastic. They're doing away with plastic bags. Plastic bags, single-use plastics are banned everywhere. So dealing with shit like soggy cardboard straws, paper plate, all that garbage. So they're using paper bags, and now they're charging you for paper bags. It's mandatory. The city has a bylaw in effect that has to charge you a minimum for a paper bag and a minimum for a reusable bag, and it's ridiculous. It's like 25 cents for a paper bag. And it's not that it's 25 cents. It's that I did some of the math on it. In the city, whoever's collecting this, whoever gets this money, is raking in like over $1 billion a year just in my city alone. So it adds up. Anyway, so they're banning plastics, and yet, I get crap like this. Plastic bag inside a plastic bag, and I bet you there's probably 20 other plastic bags in here. But I got to pay for paper bags to save the environment. I seem to remember in the 70s we stopped using paper bags and switched to plastic to save the trees and save the environment. Deforestation was causing environmental problems. Guess I was wrong there. Oh, look, another plastic bag. Hey, so what do we got here? Some kind of a bag type dealie. Okay. This is a wrist mount or something, some kind of strap. You could strap it to your wrist, strap it to anything round pretty much. In a plastic bag. What have we next? So this is like a bicycle handlebar mount. I'll post a link to this, so if you guys are interested, you can order one. It was cheap. It was like 39 bucks or 29 bucks. I'm not sure. So this is like a clamp type dealie that you clamp to your motorcycle or bicycle handlebars, anything with handlebars really. So that'll be cool. That'll be handy. Clamp that onto the mini bike next time I go for a spin. Got the mini bike out and running again. Have to try it. This is some kind of clip. Again, these are all in individual plastic bags. So there you go. Clip it onto things. That'll be handy. These are all going to be handy. Like I saw pretty much what was in there. This is another kind of strap type dealie. Let's see how big it is. It's going to be a long video. There's a lot of stuff in here. So this one is yeah, I suppose this could be turns, locks in place. That's a handy little dandy. That locks it. Push that down. You can pivot. Yeah, I mean, you can strap this to your arm. I don't know, if you got skinny legs, you can go around your legs. Go around all sorts of stuff. It's padded, so I mean, my immediate thoughts are this would be great for the roll bar. So that's what my use will probably be for this. I'm already thinking that. I don't know how this was. Let's put it back in the bag. So that's cool. And let's keep track how many bags here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plastic bags. Okay. What's next? Some kind of strap. I don't think I need to unwrap that. You guys know what a strap looks like a hand strap. 7 plastic bags. Little squares of 2-sided tape. Another plastic bag. 8 plastic bags. 2-sided tape and a leash or a tether, as they call it, so you can stick this to wherever you're using your GoPro, say on the outside of the car, and you're worried it's going to fall off. This will be your safety feature, your line of defense. That's 9. This is just a clip, one of those. Very handy. There we go. So it fits, meshes perfectly with the genuine GoPro stuff. Let's put that there. Why was this not in a bag? How was this not in a bag? This is another, this is a little wrench. I have a little aluminum blue one that came with this set, but this is what they do. They go on those. On the regular GoPro stuff, they fit on the bolts, the fasteners. See, it fits in there. You can tighten it. So that's handy. Good to have. And there's some fasteners in there. Various pieces, fittings, another clip. So let's put that over there. Take out all the stuff without. This is like a reach. You can attach this. This stuff is all configurable. Like I can attach that to there. See what I mean? It's a bit like Lego. This is a like a phone mount or a camera mount. So it's just a, one of those to put your phone in there. I don't know. I don't even know where I am at the plastic bags at this point. Another little hand strap, a little red one. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11. Oh, and the big one, 12. Some more tape. 13. I don't know. A little floaty. I thought this was almost dropped something. Was the waterproof floaty that you can attach it to. It is. This is, you can attach this to your GoPro and it'll float with a little hand strap and a little thingy in there. So I don't know. I give up on counting. We're at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's at least 20 bags here. So here's some more clips. See? With different various pieces. Like I say, it's a bit like Lego the way you can configure it. But these are really what I needed, is some more of these and some more bases. This one has a little screw so you can mount it to a tripod. Here's a bunch of the, I call them the female clamps. There should be 2 types in here. Should be the rounded ones and there should be some flat ones, yeah. So these are what they're called the flat, because the base is flat, so you can, attach them with 2-sided tape to something like that. And the curved one is for, say, like, perfect. See how the bottom is curved? Fits perfectly on a motorcycle helmet. So we've got 2 of each of those with sticky tape to go with them. I notice it's not 3M tape though. That's fine. It's fine, not a complaint. What is this? Oh, this is one of those bendy tripods. I've got one of these somewhere, but I should have one I keep with my GoPro stuff. So yeah, it's just a little tripod that you can wrap the legs around things, like the roll cage if you want, whatever you need. And of course, it's in its own plastic bag, because, God forbid. 2-sided tape, some more fittings, another female helmet type piece. Trying to get all the loose stuff out of here first. More two-sided tape. Another camera mount type deal. Again, all configurable. Some more fasteners. More fasteners. You can see there are various lengths, various sizes. They all screw together. The threads are all the same in pitch, just different lengths. Okay, we're getting down to the last bit. Selfie stick. I have one exactly like this already, although I don't think mine is quite this long. I gotta say, this is about as long as my 36-inch pry bar, so I'm gonna say it's 36 inches. Just a guess. A guesstimate. I'll leave that for now. This is another one of those safety tethers. You can stick that if you're using a mount, like especially if you're using a suction mount or magnetic mount. You want a safety tether, so if it falls off, you don't lose it on the road and somebody runs it over. And also it won't fly into somebody. Okay, next we've got a standard suction cup mount. These are good. I need this. This is something I wanted. So that's good. And I love that it has the lever style suction cups. So, so it puts, see how it sucks that in when you do that? These things stay on there really good. The trick to making these stay on there, just lightly wet them. I usually spray them with glass cleaner and give it a quick wipe and make sure these are clean and they'll stick. They shouldn't fall off unless your car gets super hot and the window gets really hot. Then all bets are off. Okay, we're down to the nitty gritty. This is some other kind of harness. Yep, this is a head harness. I will not be wearing a head harness. This is the goofiest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm just going to laugh at anybody I see wearing one of these. I mean, come on. Come on, man. This is ridiculous. Well, it's raining outside. Let me see if I can even put this on. All right. There we go. I should wear this for a day walking around. You guys can see what I do all day. Kind of weird. Yeah, I doubt I'll ever be using that. I don't know. Who knows? Might get all hopped up on fruit punch or something one day and do something stupid and want to record it. I believe this one is a chest harness. It is. So yeah, this one just goes on, on your chest as such. I believe these go over the shoulders, that around your chestal area. It's fully adjustable, very stretchy, very elastic. And your camera just mounts to there. And you can see. You'd want this turned up. You'd use different fittings, obviously, to mount it so the camera would face out. But this just mounts to your chest. So everybody gets kind of a UI view of what you're seeing. It's a little less goofy than the head mount. A little bit. Not a lot. Still kind of goofy. And again, I don't know if I'll ever use it, but I might. I'd rather use this than the head mount. I don't know. That head mount's just goofy. You know what the head mount reminds me of is, I don't know if you guys see those parody Harbor Freight ads where they show, ridiculous tools that don't exist. And they show the stupid looking headlamp on the guy, the goofy looking guy with this great big lamp on his head. I can't wear those headlamps on my forehead. They just remind me of that and would make me feel foolish, more foolish than I already do. And I don't need that. Nobody needs that. So that's it. Let's count the pieces. I don't remember how many pieces it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Let's count this as one piece. 34. There's 4 of these in here, so 38. And the two-sided tape, I don't know, a bunch of it. We'll count as one. 39. 39 pieces, or we'll round it up, say 40 pieces. So that's not bad. It's like $1 a piece for everything. So That's not bad. And probably cheaper for you Americans. Probably like if I paid 39, it's probably 29. And if I paid 29, you probably paid 19. So there you go. That's my GoPro Hero haul. If you guys got any cool GoPro stuff, attachments, accessories, well, let me know. I'm interested. I'm thinking of picking up a couple of more old GoPros. Maybe like a 4, anything 3 plus is fine with me for what I do. I'd just like to have a few for different camera angles. I think it might be neat. Get into a little bit more editing in my videos rather than just do them like this one take thing. Might not, who knows, but handy to have. So there you go. Again, as usual, any questions or comments, I'll leave them down below and I'll answer you the best I can. Please don't forget to leave a like, a thumb up, subscribe, share, comment, say hey, Bruce, you're a good looking guy, even with that goofy helmet head thing on. That's what I think. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Take care. Have a great day.